Claude Code, an agentic coding tool created by Anthropic that lives in your terminal, designed to supercharge your coding workflow and make things easier. It understands your codebase and helps you code faster through natural language commands. It streamlines your workflow without requiring additional servers or complex setup. Its key capabilities include editing files and fixing bugs across your codebase, answering questions about your code's architecture and logic, executing and fixing bugs, linting, and other commands, searching through Git history, resolving merge conflicts, and creating commits and PRLs. Setting it up is rather straightforward. In fact, I set it up in 2 minutes. It requires Node.js, and you can install it using npm command. The system requirements include support for popular operating systems. For hardware, 4 GB RAM as a minimum requirement. The software includes Node.js version 18+, Git 2.23, which is optional, GitHub or GitLab CLI, all PRL workflows, which are optional, RipGrip for enhanced file search, which is optional. You require an internet connection since it requires to authenticate with your Anthropic account for AI processing. There are 3 main steps that you take to install Claude Code. You run this command on your terminal, npm install globally Anthropic AI Claude Code. Then you can navigate to your project directory. Then you start Claude by just typing Claude to launch it. You complete the authentication by logging into your console on the Anthropic account. For Windows installation, it's super simple. The only unique step is you need to install WSL Windows Subsystem for Linux before launching Claude. I'm on this project folder where I would like to run Claude Code. I open the terminal and check out the command from the docs. I copy it and run. And it's that simple. I've installed it. The first time I installed it, I ran into this error since I was missing the Windows Subsystem for Linux, which is likely to happen when you're installing it. We need to install Windows Subsystem for Linux for this to work. This package lets developers install Linux distributions such as Ubuntu and use Linux applications, utilities, and bash command lines tools. To install the WSL, there's an article on Microsoft website that can guide you, link in the description. It's simple, we just need to copy this WSL install command and run it globally on the terminal. After running the command, the next step is to choose a distribution version. This is the list of the versions that you can install, and we need to choose one. I make a quick reference back to Claude Code documentation, and I will go with Ubuntu 20.04. We update the command and run the command again with the version we selected, and WSL will be installed in a few minutes. Additionally, it's going to prompt you to enter your username, and that's all. Now we need to be logged in to run the Claude Code installation process. We install Claude Code using the command provided in documentation, the npm command. But first, you need to remember to install the latest version of Node.js. First, run an installation of Node.js. At this point, I recommend you restart the WSL before proceeding to the next step. You can simply close the terminal, then open PowerShell as an admin, and simply type WSL command to start it. Finally, it's time to now test Claude Code to see if it was properly installed. We need to go to the project folder, run Claude Code from that folder. You simply type Claude to start running it. This should pop up on your terminal, and the next move is to now connect it to your Anthropic account and begin using Claude Code. At this point, the browser should open automatically. If it does not open, copy this long URL into the browser to log into your Anthropic account. Once you log to your Anthropic account, you can connect with Claude and start using it. Unfortunately for me, I was too late and I was not able to get a chance for now. Until next time, that is Claude Code for you and how to set it up on Windows. If you found this useful, kindly consider giving it a like and subscribing. One like, one subscribe takes me one step forward to bringing you great content.